first time, then hi, my name is Kalpana. I post makeup and lifestyle related videos on my channel. Today's video is a beginner friendly makeup tutorial where I'm just going to create this dramatic eye look using just one eyeshadow. Yes, you heard it right. I did this eye look using just one eyeshadow. So if you want to know how I got this complete look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm using this moisturizer from Dermafique. It says Hydra Tonic Gel Creme. I am using this one regularly and I absolutely love this. This feels so light on my skin and yet it gives the required hydration. It quickly absorbs into my skin. Alright, it's already absorbed in my skin. Just giving my skin 30 seconds. I kept this primer right in front of my eyes because a lot of times I just skip primer and directly go with the foundation. So I'm using this Nykaa Premium Primer today. Just smoothing out whatever pores I have on my skin. Alright, for foundation I'm using Infallible Pro Matte. Just taking this much, 2 drops or pumps, yeah. Just dotting on my face. Now blending with a Damn Beauty sponge. I think I applied a little more than what I needed. Now I'll take a little longer to blend this up. This is a foundation that sometimes just refuses to work on me. And sometimes it looks beautiful. I don't know what's the confusion is all about. Dragging a little bit of it to my neck. My face is looking too matte today. Just gonna take a little bit of this Nykaa Skin Genius. It has that dewy consistency. So whenever any foundation makes my skin looks very dry and flat, this is what I switch to. Just taking a little bit of it and applying it on my face. My face is feeling much better, at least in person. I don't know what difference you can see on camera. So whenever I use L'Oreal Infallible, little more than I require, it just makes my skin feel very matte and very dry, something I don't like in my foundation. So I make sure that I mix it with some dewy foundation, or I just control the amount of foundation that I'm applying. Yeah, so I'm done with the foundation, but my hand is like foundation everywhere. I'm just looking for something to wipe off. For concealer, I'm gonna go with LA Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer so much these days that I hardly go with this LA concealer. Earlier, I was so obsessed with this, but now I reach out to Maybelline Fit Me more. I just love its applicator, its coverage and everything. I love this one too, but you know what happens with me? If I like one product, I just keep using it and I totally forget about other products that I love too. Setting my face using my usual Maybelline Fit Me to make sure that my base stays on for longer. So basically wherever I have applied concealer, I'm setting all that part. If you have oily skin, you can set the complete face, but I cannot think of doing it. My face would end up looking very cakey and powdery and dry. Something nobody wants to do. I'll just take my beauty blender and press this powder onto my skin so that all the base products come together and look flawless. Just spritz in some MAC Fix Plus. I'm just waiting for this to get into my skin nicely and then I can move on to eyebrows. By the way, today I'll be using this Miss Claire eyebrow cake to do my brows. When I used it for the first time, I was not able to do my eyebrows using this because I have always used pencils more, so eyebrow pencils are very comfortable for me. I didn't use eyebrow cake before this, and hence I was not able to do that, but then I slowly figured it out, and this turned out to be awesome product for eyebrows. Seriously, yeah, I use this color and this dark one. Like, I just tap a little bit into the dark one, and I use the same brush that comes with this pack, and it is beautiful. The price of this product, it's not written here, but I remember it's something 450 or something, and you can easily get it for 400 or 350. And there's a lot of product. You don't need a lot of it. So I definitely think you guys should check it out. It's very budget friendly and it's very nice, and it gives that sharp, nice eyebrows. So my face is all dry now. I'm moving to my brows, just brushing my brows first, and then I'm taking this color and just touching it like this, just creating these strokes in the front. Okay, so since this is single eyeshadow look, I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Soft X Extra Spice palette, and in this palette I'm gonna use this brown color, which is very unique. It has sort of hint of orange, and it's not your typical brown color. I don't know if I am able to explain it properly, but it's beautiful brown, which is neither too light nor too dark. And since I want this look to be very subtle, simple and beginner friendly, so I'm just gonna take this shade on my flat shader brush. The name of the shade is Chocolate Orange, and I will be applying this color to my lids. Beautiful this color is. You know, it has hint of orange, so it's neither an orange color, not a brown one. It's midway, and it looks beautiful. Seriously, dusting off the fallout quickly. Now I'm going to take a blending brush, and I'll be blending the edges of this color so it looks soft and diffused. If the color loses its intensity during blending, you can always go back to the same color and apply it and blend it again. I'm just applying the same color in my lower lash line. Blending this as well. Next up, I'm taking a black kajal and tightlining my lower and upper waterline. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. If you don't like applying falsies, I highly recommend using a curler. It brings so much difference. And even if you apply falsies, you need a color. Otherwise, your original lashes would look droopy while your false lashes will point upwards, and it's gonna look very weird. So yes, but if you don't use falsies, you should definitely get yourself a curler. For blush, I'm using this Miss Rose blush in the shade Plum Fullery. This is a peachy shade and will go with today's look nicely. Just applying it on apples of my cheeks and flicking it away, mixing it with the bronzer. And I'll keep doing it until I'm happy with the intensity of the blush. Just applying it a little bit on my chin and of course on the tip of my nose. For highlighter, I'm using the classic Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. And I'll apply this on high points of my face like cheekbones, my eyebrow bone, and just flicking like this. On bridge of my nose and tip, on cupid bow, dusting the remaining on center of my forehead like this. This much highlighter is never enough for me, so I'm just gonna use it more. Just applying this highlighter to inner corners of my eyes. For lips, I'm using this lip liner in the shade Fame by K Beauty and this lipstick from Chambord in the shade Choco Matte. as the name suggests, it's a very beautiful brown nude. I'm loving my lip combo today. This lipstick is anyway one of my favorites. So I'm done with my makeup. I'm just gonna take a quick shower in my Max Fix Plus. This is the final look, guys, using just one eyeshadow. For eye look, it is very beginner friendly and yet very glam. I'm just loving how this whole look turned out. If you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video that I put up. If you are not following me on Instagram, then please do follow. I'll mention my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen and it's always in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I post a lot of makeup looks, my life updates, and a lot of Instagram reels. It's such a fun, guys, there, so make sure you're following me there, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye.